Steamed salmon, very healthy. I like it a lot. In a pot, we're gonna put some water and wait for the water to be very hot because we're gonna steam the salmon. I have a fillet of salmon right here, and you can add a lot of ingredients, but I only like to add salt. Maybe you can put a little pepper with lemon flavor. That's what I did. And you don't have to add a lot of ingredients, okay? You can put a little bit of lime juice. Once the water is hot, then you put a strainer and we're gonna put the salmon in there. Put a lid and wait maybe around 7 or 9 minutes. That's all it's gonna take for the salmon to be cooked. And we're gonna wait. I don't fry salmon anymore. I save money on oil, and it's good for my health too because I don't have to worry about so much fried food. I think the salmon is already cooked. Let's take it out of here and put it on a plate. This is a good and fast way to cook salmon. You can use a grill. You can put it in the oven. It's gonna take you a long time, but if you put it in a steamer, it's so much better. I like to eat the salmon with a salsa. I'm gonna have this video soon on my channel, so check back. It's a salsa that has avocado, tomatoes, cilantro, onion, garlic. It's so delicious. And then I like to put it on my salmon, and that's how I cook my salmon at home. What do you think? Do you like it? I hope you give it a try. If you're worried about your cholesterol, if you're worried about frying food, I think this is the best idea to cook at home. The salmon is already cooked. If you cook it for a long time, it's gonna be dry, and you don't want to do that, okay?